Hey guys, welcome back to the channel McNallie Money, your home of all things stock, investment, and personal finance related. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at ICG or Intchains Group. This is a diversified company. Their focal points are Web3, Ethereum, and ASIC development. There's a lot to go through in today's presentation, but before we do, please take a second, smash the like button, you guys. It's a big help to myself and the channel, specifically helps push this content to other people like you who may find value. If you're not already subscribed, McNallie Money, feel free to join. We're just about at our 45,000 subscriber goal before heading down to Nashville next week. We'd love to have you as part of the community. And finally, leave a comment in the section below. Let me know if you're currently holding shares of ICG, your outlook on this segment or sector overall, and your thoughts for the back half of 2024. Now, with that being said, let's get into today's video. Okay guys, so that's right. Today's video, we're going to be taking a look at Intchains Group Limited, trades on the NASDAQ in the United States under the ticker symbol ICG. And this is as of Wednesday, July 17th, about midday, currently up just under 2.5% or 20 cents, trading hands at $8.43 US, giving Intchains Group a market cap in the neighborhood of about $500 million. Now, for those of you who've been watching the channel for a while, you know that we cover a number of various crypto, blockchain, and Bitcoin style companies on the channel, including those like Riot, Marathon, and other mainstream Bitcoin miners. So today we wanted to profile another significant player in the space, which is of course Intchains. So they specialize in Web3 blockchain infrastructure and are the first publicly traded company to declare themselves as an Ethereum cooperator holders. Again, trading under the ticker symbol ICG on the NASDAQ, provides fully transparent and publicly available information, which we're going to go through in today's presentation, including their updated investor deck. Now, before we get into that, if we take a quick look at the 5-day chart here, very similar to what we're seeing with the miners and some of the other players in this space, like Coinbase, for example, or some of the other exchange stocks. A great run this week, really bouncing from that $7.50 range. Again, currently trading hands now at $8.50. Now, if we jump over to the corporate website, you can see blockchain needs algorithm chips, starting with high-performance computing ASIC chip-based solution products, and a corporate holder of Ethereum, which I just mentioned. Intchains is fully driving towards the Web3 industry with our competitive research and development strengths, which we're going to look at next up in the presentation. Now, ICG's main business areas include the development of Web3 hardware and cryptocurrency mining machines, which we're going to look at later in the investor deck, with a good example being their Scrypt algorithm miners used for Dogecoin or Litecoin. Now, ICG then takes the cash flow generated from these products to continually purchase cryptocurrency, mainly Ethereum, with a long-term business strategy to hold Ethereum on their balance sheet rather than engaging in short-term trades. Now, this is very similar to what we've heard from Sam Tabar and Bit Digital, but ICG believes the smart contract ecosystem made available by Ethereum has the most potential for widespread Web3 adoption, which is why they're also investing so heavily in the R&D for these Web3 apps. Now, if we move over to the business overview, you can see specialists in IC design. We are a provider of integrated solutions consisting of high-performance computing ASIC chip products for blockchain applications and a corporate holder of cryptocurrencies based on Ethereum. And it's worth noting that ICG was actually founded back in 2017, and they've undergone numerous technical iterations over that time span with 9 successful tapeouts covering 15 types of cryptocurrencies, and have achieved significant success in the early development of DeFi, domain names, and other coins, including Kadena, Kobak, and Handshake. Now, in addition to that, they've also launched a variety of different home and silent miners to cater to different user groups, which again we'll look at in a second here, with their core strengths really lying in their R&D technology team and their market know-how for altcoin mining machines. Now, in addition to all of that, Benchmark has also initiated coverage on Intchains Group Limited, and they've come out with a buy recommendation on the company based on a lot of the factors that we're going to talk about in today's presentation. And if we now actually go ahead and jump into the investor deck, this was put together as of March 31st of this year. We can take a deeper look under the hood at what Intchains Group is all about. So again, you can see founded all the way back in 2017, superior expertise in ASIC chip design and all-encompassing full-stack R&D capabilities and efficient product delivery channels. ICG is a fast-growing provider of crypto-centered products, primarily focused on high-performance computing ASIC chip products, targeting non-Bitcoin cryptocurrency markets and other Web3 applications. And you can see again calling out the accumulation of Ethereum using their cash profits from business operations. Now, if you take a look at their business model here and their 4 key pillars of success, you can see their agile operations and comprehensive technology stack for chips and supporting products allow them to quickly bring diverse Web3 products to market. And it's this quick progression to market that results in high product margins, stable cash flow, and the ability to reinvest in Web3 R&D and additional applications while still managing to accumulate Ethereum on their balance sheet. And here's another slide showcasing some of these major successes, including that strong balance sheet position and diversity of products that ICG is actually bringing to market. Now, ICG's external products feature the Gold Shell miner, which is actually quite well known in the industry, with Gold Shell currently having over 60,000 users in 170 countries around the world. And here's actually a recent tweet from the Gold Shell miner account showcasing the KA Box Pro featuring 1.6 terahash per second at 600 watts, with this one actually focused on mining for Caspa. And interestingly enough, that's the crypto that we just saw Marathon going after as well in that recent press release. And this is another great slide showcasing some of the Gold Shell products currently available in the market. Now, ICG is really looking to build and leverage their significant credibility in the Web3 sector and sees additional opportunities in this industry through the explosion of applications that replace and complement traditional industries. So they believe that altcoins represented by Ethereum will have increasing potential in the future, and this focus on altcoins rather than Bitcoin or Bitcoin miners specifically differentiates them from other US listed companies. So again, we traditionally talk about a lot of Bitcoin mining companies on this channel. This is another way to play the Web3 or crypto sector by focusing on Ethereum-based coins. And this is actually a great graph showing the total market cap of the various different cryptocurrencies over time in billions of US dollars. Now, Ethereum has really become a central feature of many of the most innovative cryptocurrencies currently on the market. And ICG's leadership team sharing their clear long-term strategic plan for cryptocurrency and cryptocurrency growth. Now, in terms of their competitive advantages or competitive edge in the industry, really centered around their R&D expertise and experience, with roughly 70% of the company comprising of R&D personnel and department leaders having an average of 10 or more years experience in the R&D field. Now, they also call out their state-of-the-art ASIC chip design and development, which they will continue to iterate on to ensure they maintain their leading position in the innovative coin mining market and reinvest those profits into Web3 application development. And again, you can see their 9 successful tapeouts to date, covering the 15 different types of cryptocurrencies. Now, finally, their focus on niche markets for mining innovative cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin, Caspa, Litecoin, for example, really give Intchains Group a unique angle on the market. And because these are comparatively less mainstream than Bitcoin or Bitcoin mining, there's less competition and they're able to get their products to market quicker because of that advanced research and development team. Now, the company is currently developing additional products that integrate zero knowledge proof or ZKP, fully homomorphic encryption, also known as FHE, and AI within the blockchain technology. Additionally, they plan to continue to invest in Ethereum and other smart contract ecosystem cryptocurrencies, much like how MicroStrategy and Block continually invest in Bitcoin. Now, in terms of their financials, they maintain a robust financial status with ample cash flow, minimal debt, and a sustainable risk-resistant technical moat, which allows them to stay financially healthy in both bull and bear markets, which unfortunately are an aspect of this industry that each company needs to navigate. And you can see maintaining those high-level cash reserves really all the way back to 2021. So despite this previous bear market, ICG maintained nearly $130 million in total assets with 40% reduction in debt compared to the previous quarter. That's in Q1 of this year. Really, in a lot of ways, operating like a call option in the crypto or Web3 industry, profiting in bull markets and contracting flexibly in the bear markets. And you can see their specific call out towards sustainability and risk resilience, enabling them to break even despite the bear market in the blockchain industry that began last year in 2023. So for those reasons, you guys, I definitely think this one may be worth a look. Again, if you're looking for diversified exposure to crypto or Web3, but perhaps you want to look beyond Bitcoin or the Bitcoin miners, as you can see, ICG has a three-pronged growth strategy moving forward, including continual enhancement of their Web3 infrastructure design and development, accumulation of long-term valued cryptocurrencies, mainly Ethereum, and exploratory collaborations in computational acceleration projects to further grow this organization. Now, if you're interested in Web3 infrastructure, you're optimistic about the future of blockchain and Ethereum, check out ICG's website for detailed information. I'll leave this one linked in the video description below. Let me know what you think in the comment section of the video, specifically if you're already holding shares of ICG and your outlook on this company in the back half of 2024. If you're still watching the video, make sure to hit the like button, you guys. Helps get this content to other people like you who may find value. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, McNallie Money, feel free to join. We're just about at our 45,000 subscriber goal before we head down to Nashville for the big Bitcoin conference. That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.